Thanks, David. We're hanging out with the Saskatoon Summer Players. Of course, right now we have Anita here with us to explain a little bit as to what the Saskatoon Summer Players is. So Anita, tell us a bit about this nonprofit organization.
Well, that is part of it. We are a nonprofit organization and we are also a registered charity.
Cool.
And our vision for the organization is to produce professional quality musical theater productions, but we use entirely volunteer-based and local casts. We have hundreds of people who volunteer for us, and really without them there would be no show. You know, there's 2 paid staff people, but we're just part-time, and we do administrative work. We don't do any of like the actual production work.
Okay.
So everything that you see on stage is the efforts of volunteers.
Wow, that's fantastic.
It is.
Now, you did mention your mission is to give Saskatoon quality musicals and productions. One way you do that is by offering workshops. So tell us what we're at today.
Well, actually, today we're at the makeup design workshop
Very
that's
cool.
being taught by Pamela Warden.
Yeah.
And the reason that we decided to do this particular workshop was because we've got Shrek coming up,
Yay.
which is which is very makeup involved.
Yes.
So we thought that we would give our volunteers an opportunity to learn a little bit about applying makeup and to put those skills to use potentially on Shrek. When you throw a volunteer into something, you know, you just say you're the costume designer, and you don't give them any training or any guidance at all. I mean, it's not likely to be a rewarding experience for them because they'll just feel kind of overwhelmed. So we're hoping that by having these workshops, we'll give them a place to start from, a beginner kind of education. And we were fortunate to get a really generous donation or a grant from the Saskatchewan Community Initiatives Fund.
Okay, yeah.
And that's what's helped us to be able to afford to do these.
Awesome. Now, are these workshops also open to regular community members?
Of course, yeah. And anyone, they are open to our membership, and you can pay $20 and become a member of Saskatoon Summer Players, and then you get a discount on the workshops. But they are open to absolutely everybody.
Perfect. All right, so check out SaskatoonSummerPlayers.ca for all the information, the different workshops that they're doing and different productions. Don't miss out on Shrek. I can imagine that's going to be amazing. And today, like Anita mentioned, we're at the Shrek Makeup Workshop, and hopefully I'll be unrecognizable by the end of today's episode. So I'm going to get a bit of a tutorial on makeup from Pamela later on in the show, something you definitely don't want to miss. So keep watching today's Go Saskatoon.